Without the flux, the soldering cannot be possible. And for student precautions, I have just put a hole in that box so that student cannot do something like rubbing on the other faces, each of the faces, because it look like cream. So that's how I get the best way out
Right.
to put the wire in it, and it's like there is a flux on, and the oil, basically there is a oil in the flux is also, so the oil will not be dry out. And something is like that is not in engineering method. It is a simple method you can use, that when you put the soldering iron in the power socket, and you have to check that whether it is getting hot or not. You can smell it. And the second method is just
Flexing is
when it is got hot, the wire get melted very easily.
Right.
don't smell it. It's selective.
Electronic person get addicted of this. Like I have put this jack in the PCB for the soldering purpose. Like if I want to solder the individually, first I have to hold the PCB, then the jack, then the soldering iron, then the wire, and it can't be possible. So that's why I'm using the PCB holder. So it is very easy for me to solder that jack like this. For soldering, you have to put the one side the iron and the second side the soldering. You can do the soldering like this. And for the student, this is the best method to tell them. This is basically for the 45-degree angle. You have to make like this with the PCB. If you do like this, it is not easy, or maybe it can't be possible for the soldering. So you have to make just 45-degree angle. That is one side you will put the soldering iron, and from the second side you just put the soldering wire, and the item which you want to do solder is getting solder on that piece. And the second thing which I have told you earlier, that there is a desoldering bit. You have to remove the solder. You can see the jack legs all are short. I have done this for purpose that I want to do desoldering process. I want to show that desoldering process. That's why I have to do this.